Hello everyone, I am Navin. Today I am going to unboxing this OnePlus Bullets Wireless JED Bass Edition earphones. Let's see. Actually, this price is 2,199 rupees. Actually, with a 9% discount in Flipkart, I got 1,999, 2,000 rupees. It provides bass boost and 17 hours of battery life and water and sweat resistance. Charge for 10 minutes and enjoy for 10 hours, they said, and clear and stable calls and magnetic control. See, we can see there, and 2,190 rupees and inclusive all the taxes. The initial impression is excellent packing and very nicely packing they provided, and there is no chance of getting damaged while transporting and all. The first impression is very nice with the packing and all. They provided OnePlus C-type charger. I mean, not charger, only one cable, and some manuals they provided. You can see the brand name in the OnePlus. And here you can observe that and how the build quality. It looks very premium, and not only looks, and when I will touch this and when we have it in the hands, it's build quality and the premiumness, and it's very nice. And I just compare with the Sony earphones because I used Boat and Sony earphones previously, and it is almost equivalent to the Sony, and I can say that in the build quality is more than that the Sony headphones I have used before. And if you see that, then the magnetic coupled that strips, when this coupled and the red light is going on, and if it is opened, automatically it will be on condition. You can observe there the OnePlus symbol in that also, and you can see there how it appears while wearing. You can see there, and even very comfortable to wear, and the both left and right sides they provided very nicely. Yeah, see, like this it will appear, and even the wire length also very nice. We cannot compare with any other headphones. Definitely worthy. And I tested these voice calls, and the voice calls are very HD voice calls, and I can say that very the premium quality voice call. And if you see that the music, and even I listen the music, and even a single musical instrument note also you cannot miss in this music Bluetooth headphone. So definitely words for the music lovers. And definitely I can say that this is one of the best among all the Bluetooth headphones available in the Flipkart and Amazon till now. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you all.